If you want to know how can you schedule Instagram Reels, today in this video I'll show you exactly how can you do that. All you need to do is to follow carefully with me till the very end, and let's jump right into it. First, we need to get something out of the way. We need to go to Play Store or App Store and make sure you have the Instagram app updated to the latest version for everything to work properly. Finally, you can go ahead and quit the store and open Instagram. Make sure you are logged in and then tap on this plus button at the bottom of the screen. Now from here, choose the content that you want to add on your Reels after tapping on Reels in the bottom. Once you make up your mind, you can go ahead and edit the video or the picture. Let me do something here real quick. So I receive the information on how can you schedule Reels. I receive a subscribe. This is a sign for you to go ahead and subscribe to the channel. Go ahead and do that and then tap on next in the bottom right corner. Now from here, you can choose to share this on Facebook as well. I'm going to choose not to, so tap on not now. Then scroll down from here and tap on advanced settings at the very bottom. And then from here, you should be on a professional account to see this toggle right here. If you want to know how can you turn on professional accounts, check it out in our channel. Just tap on the schedule once you see it, and then from here, schedule the date or the time that you want the reel to be posted in. And that is it for this video, guys. Please like and comment down below. Don't forget to subscribe for future videos like this one, and thank you very much for watching.